Oke, tanpa memperpanjang waktu, mari kita panggil speaker pertama dari kelas 9A. Silakan, Raziq.
Okay, Mr. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Pribadi Bandung principals, Mr. Hidayat and Mr. Awan, our beloved teachers, and my dearest friends. My name is Raziq from class 9A, and today I'll be talking about how to keep calm and stay strong while doing an exam. Firstly, what is patience? According to the English dictionary, patience is the capacity to accept or tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset. According to Islamic articles, patience is a virtue which helps us to refrain and to stop from doing that which is not good. In a spiritual sense, patience means stopping ourselves from complaining or panicking or despairing in times of grief. The Arabic word for patience or to refrain and to stop is sabr. The first step is to practice positive self-talk. This means keeping our mind that I can do this and having a positive mindset. Most people, when they are stressed, they think about the negative thoughts about themselves. For example, like how their test results are going to be very low and how many questions there are on the test. To prevent this, you can take deep breaths and take your time doing the questions and not to try to rush it because you want to finish it before the others. Finishing the exam exam first won't affect how good you did on the exam. Checking the answers for the test is also helpful and prevents many mistakes too. Taking your time is very important when doing a test. When doing a test. However, spending a long time on a difficult question is pointless. This can waste your time and can cause stress from thinking about it too hard. To stop this, what I prefer to do is I answer the questions first. Then the question what I prefer to do is I answer the questions that I can answer first and then go back to the questions that I missed out. This is a huge advantage and can decrease your stress. Being comfortable during a test, loosen up as stated, practice meditating, take a small break, stretch your arms out, can be used to tolerate stress. Relaxing your body can also affect your tension and can ease your mind. In an Islamic sense, doing dua before, during, and after is the crucial things Muslim people should do. And your Lord says, call upon me and I'll respond to you. Quran Surah Ghafir 40, Ayat 6. God is always there to hear our pleas and to seek help from our difficulties. At every turn, at every point, especially when struggling to understand a unit of study or subject we struggle with. Make dua. Turn to Him and ask Him directly. Asking your parents for praise and seeking their pleas also a necessary thing to do. This is all from me. Thank you for your attention and please forgive for any mistake during the speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.